Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how easy it is to create videos with your avatar showing you in any scene with the help of AI. Let's dive in.
The intro you've just watched here was generated with AI using my own avatar on Google Flow. Though the voice sounds a little bit different, it captured exactly the environment I want to be in with my looks as it is. At the end of this video, I'll show you how to turn off watermarks on each video that you create on Google Flow while remaining consistent. Now let's jump right in.
Cheptiony, Mutai, a legend in the making. Cheptiony, where the future is breaking. Come and join the journey, don't you miss a thing. The world's at his feet, here the freedom ring.
The first step is to open Google Flow on labs.google/fx/tools/flow, or simply search on Google for Google Flow and tap on Create New Project if you've never used Google Flow before. This is where the action begins. On your account, click on your profile photo and on the drop-down menu, click on Manage Avatars. Alternatively, on the left side menu, on your Flow account, select Characters. Here, you will see the option for Avatar. Click on Create Avatar. You will be prompted to scan a QR code to proceed. You must have a smartphone with good camera to do this. Unfortunately, it's not possible to record an avatar using your computer or laptop. Follow the prompts after scanning the code to record your face and upload your video here on Google Flow for use in reference in all your videos. The avatar that will be generated will be saved in the characters section of your account. Once done creating your avatar, you can now write prompts referencing at me here on Google Flow. For example, to create an intro video like the one that you've just seen above, you need to first decide on your visual look. What do you like to be shown wearing? Where do you want to appear? For my intro, I wanted to wear a light gray shirt with my logo walking along Kenyatta Avenue in Nairobi City. So I wrote a prompt inside Google Flow to first create an image of myself in the scene. Doing this will save you many credits on video recreation. Also, this is important for consistency reasons. I was able to create the outro video that you will see at the end of this video with the same image, and it looks perfectly similar to the intro. Once done and happy with the image generated, move to the video. Here is the prompt for the opening video. Create a video of a man standing on the street, that is the reference image we generated above, walking as he makes the following introduction in the voice of at me, that is me. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how easy it is to create videos on Google Flow with your avatar showing you in any scene with the help of AI. Let's dive in. It is important to note that I ensured my prompt captured my real voice and accent as per the avatar. With this, Google Flow generated a video, and this again is the final output.
Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how easy it is to create videos with your avatar showing you in any scene with the help of AI. Let's dive in.
With only one generation, I was satisfied with everything in the video because I ensured that the images of the scenes were created fast. When done, download videos and integrate them to your video edits and you'll be good. I did the intro and outro in only one take, which cost me 30 credits out of the free 50 credits a day on Google Flow. Think about this for a moment. Google Flow gives you 50 credits a day, which is free, which translates to 1,500 credits a month. What can you do with this? I see this as a great opportunity to start creating great content. It is your time to utilize this to create awesome videos that clients can actually pay for. And finally, to the most important part, it is now possible to disable Gemini watermarks on videos generated on Google Flow. To do this, click on your profile image and hover down to the visible watermark option and select off. This way, all the videos that you've created will not have any watermark on them.
And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumb up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on cheptiony.com to learn more. Till next time, bye-bye and take care.